Hi everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl. Today I will be reviewing some yarn from Herrschners and it's called Pastry Plus yarn. Herrschners Pastry Plus yarn is what I'm reviewing today. I am not affiliated with Herrschners in any way. Willow Yarns is a sister company of Herrschners. I'll put the link to Herrschners' website down below, and you can go to the Willow Yarns site directly from Herrschners if you choose. Herrschners doesn't only sell yarn, they sell many other craft items. This particular yarn is right here. It's 100% acrylic. It's a lightweight 3. There are 264 grams in the ball, which is 743 yards. Knitting needles suggested is size 6, which is 4 millimeter. Crochet hook that's suggested is an F5, which is 3.75 millimeter. This yarn is made in China. The colorway number is 0101, and the color name is Orchard GRP, which is Orchard Grape. This yarn is incredibly soft. I've bought several different colorways of it, and I absolutely love to work with it. They suggested a 3.75 millimeter. I actually started crocheting this with a 6 millimeter. These are the colors in this colorway. Orchard Grape. There's browns, there's grape color, there's a light pink, there's a beautiful blue that pops, there's a darker pink, and it goes back into the brown. It is fabulous to work with. Now, as for frogging, it tugs a little bit because there's a tiny bit of a halo, which is that fuzziness sometimes you see on yarn. So it tugs a little because it does get caught. But if you have patience, lots of patience, this is froggable. And don't tug too hard, because with my experience, when you tug too hard it gets worse. So just lightly pull it apart if you need to frog it. This is how it comes in a cake like this. This colorway is called Frosted. It's got shades of blue, purples. There's even a little bit of a bluish green in there, turquoise blue. There's like a rusty, almost rusty red in there. Darker purple, light purples. Very, very pretty. And again, this one is called Frosted. And with it being a lightweight 3, I find is one of my favorite sizes of yarn. This is it here. And currently on Herrschners' website, one of these is $7.99. If you buy it in the pack of 3, it's normally $23.97 for 3 of the same shade, but they're on sale right now for $18.99. And unfortunately, when I looked this morning, they were out of stock on the grape one I just showed you, the Orchard Grape. This one here. They're out of stock on this color. But they have 4 other colors in stock. They have the Umami, they have Allspice, they have Frosted. I've had all of these. The only one I have not had is Pomegranate, which they do have in stock. Your first order at Herrschners, they give you 10% off your purchase. Now remember, I'm not affiliated in any way with Herrschners. I just love this yarn so much. I wanted to do a review on it, and I think it's a really good price for the amount you get. 743 yards for this for $7.99, or a package of 3 for $18.99, and that's US dollars. It only takes 1 to make a shawl. All right, all links will be below. This is one of their colorways. This one is Allspice, and I made this top based on a tutorial by the lovely Teresa from Craving Crochet. That link will be below. And this is another one of their color shades. It's called Umami, and I will link my tutorial below. Thank you everyone so much for joining me today. Please comment below. Let me know if you've used any of this Herrschners yarn, what you made with it, what you think of it. I would really, really love to hear your opinion on it. All right, so you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.